400 lunches, fresh lunches made, going out to elderly people who need it.
Yeah, it would be wonderful to be able to continue this service. We have a wide reach of families. This is only touching just some of the families. There are much more than what is in front of us in terms of our work, so we would hope that this would be able to reach a wider part of the Pacific communities, because there's a lot of people who are staying in their homes, they're not coming out, and we've got to find a way to reach them because they need the help too.
I'm blessed enough to work with a team of fantastic people. I work with Tammy Portini and June, who are part of the National Generator team, and together with Vakatatua and Whaoulu and Emerge Aotearoa, we've been delivering the generator throughout New Zealand. It was a no-brainer for us. It was a second blessing, is that Moa Lunches had an idea about delivering meals for those that are most vulnerable in our communities. Vakatatua and Emerge both know firsthand how vulnerable and how exposed a number of our people are, especially after the COVID-19. So what we've done is we've worked together with Moa Lunches. We've also brought in Peter, who is also one of our Generites. He has a courier business, and together with another caterer, we're going to be bringing meals to the most vulnerable within Auckland, within the Greater Auckland region. Also, big high five to Foundation North, who have helped us fund, and the Balle Brothers, who are providing us with free vegetables so that we can extend our reach. Thank you to all of you.